What's the Metaverse? The Metaverse is a new set of platforms with three-dimensional software applications to bring total immersion and improved engagement to your customers. The Metaverse is here. The race is on to secure your investment in digital real estate. There are branding and marketing opportunities, new revenue streams, virtual concerts, games, cryptocurrency, quick payments, the lot. Remote workers with improved collaboration. There'll be competitions, relationships, expansion. Moving your business to the metaverse, you'll need the best ideas and plans. We've got the checklists that you need. Look below for the first link in the description. You'll get selecting the appropriate metaverse, building your brand in the metaverse, creating virtual augmented reality and videos for your business, investing in the metaverse, promoting your business in the metaverse, creating content in the metaverse, and a lot more. Click below to my business school blog and you get all the ideas and opportunities you'll need. I'm here to help you move business to the metaverse for new income streams.